Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to create the customizable frame in Canva. Let's create the design to show you. Let's take the Instagram post and yes, just go to elements and here you can find different shapes. You can also press see all to see all your different shapes. I choose this one to start. You can of course change the size in every direction, and this is what is special on this shape, because you can do so many things. For example, I can add a simple frame border, also adjust the thickness, change the border style if I want to. And yes, I can also change the color of this shape, and I can also make it transparent. This is very cool because then I can have a nice frame for my pictures and everything. And yes, this is what makes this kind of shape very special, because I can change the size very precisely on each side, and I can even change the roundness of the corners. And this is also very special, I think, because if I press here, the corner roundings, I can change them. I can even remove them or make it very roundy. I don't know how to say it in English, but yes, this is what I like about this frame and shape. All right, guys, I think it's very helpful for you guys, because with this shape you can make frames everywhere on each picture or thumbnail, banner. And yes, because it's so nice and customizable. All right, guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.